The struggle you are in today is developing the strength you need for tomorrow. A very fine good morning to one and all gathered here. World Space Week celebration, Cosmos 21, began in EPS on October 4th with an inaugural session followed by various competitions. And today, we have reached the closing ceremony of Cosmos 21.
Every morning is a gift and every sunrise is a challenge. Each day is precious. To give the first fruit of the day to God is one of the most valuable ways to show our gratitude and love to God. Let us invoke the God's blessings on all of us through the prayer. Let me invite Sri Lakshmi for the prayer.
എല്ലാം അറിയുന്ന എന്തിനും ഹേതുവാം ചൈതന്യമേ എന്നുമാ കാരുണ്യ പുണ്യനിലാവല ഞങ്ങളിലേക്കു ചൊരിയണമേ നന്മ തന്നാകാശം തെളിയണമേ എങ്ങും നിറയുന്ന എല്ലാം അറിയുന്ന എന്തിനും ഹേതുവാം ചൈതന്യമേ എന്നുമാ കാരുണ്യ പുണ്യനിലാവല ഞങ്ങളിലേക്കു ചൊരിയണമേ നന്മ തന്നാകാശം തെളിയണമേ സത്യപ്രകാശമാം സുസ്മിതം തൂകി വിശ്വസ്നേഹത്തിൻ സുഗന്ധമായിരണേ അറിവിന്റെ ശക്തി പകരുവാനായിരം വിജ്ഞാന ദീപകിരണങ്ങളാകണേ എന്നും നിറയുന്ന എല്ലാം അറിയുന്ന എന്തിനും ഹേതുവാം ചൈതന്യമേ എന്നുമാ കാരുണ്യ പുണ്യനിലാവല ഞങ്ങളിലേക്കു ചൊരിയണമേ നന്മ തന്നാകാശം തെളിയണമേ നന്മ തന്നാകാശം തെളിയണമേ നന്മ തന്നാകാശം തെളിയണമേ.
Thank you, Sri Lakshmi, for invoking God's blessing on all of us.
Now, for the welcome address, may I now invite our HSS coordinator, Mr. Vinesh Kumar, who is the convener of the organizing committee, Cosmos 21.
Thank you, ma'am. So, respected chief guest of the day, other dignitaries, my dear teachers, and dear parents and students, good morning to one and all. Cosmos 21 is an initiative by Department of Science, Excel Public School, to celebrate World Space Week 2020. As we know, in all over the world, World Space Week celebrations are conducted. In this year, it was conducted with a specific and a significant theme, that women in space. So in this context, we, the Department of Science in EPS, has planned and run many competitions and programs like online lectures in this part. And now the programs comes to its end, its closing ceremony. So we gather here for the closing ceremony of Cosmos 21. So the duty assigned to me here is welcome. Sorry. Now, first of all, I would like to welcome Mr. Sudhish Vike, Vice Principal Academic for this program. So he will be preside over the function. So welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Next, it is my honor to welcome our chief guest of the day, Dr. Sunira TP, the Associate Professor and Head, Department of Physics, Government College, Madapalli. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you.
Next, it is my pleasure to welcome our PT President, Mr. Kripesh KV, to this program. Welcome, sir. Now it is my immense pleasure to welcome Dr. P. Ravindran, the Associate Professor, Department of Chemistry, Mahatma Gandhi Government College, Mahi, to this program. Welcome, sir. Then, my dear teachers and all other dear parents and students, a warm welcome to one and all present here. So now we are moving to the programs of closing ceremony of Cosmos 21. So again, once again, welcome all to this program.
Thank you, Vinisa. If your actions inspires others to dream more, learn more, and do more, and become more, you are a leader. A leader does not create followers, but they create leaders. I take immense pleasure to invite our Vice Principal Academics, Mr. Sudesh VK, for the presidential address. Sir, please.
Thank you. Respected Chief Guest of the Day, Dr. Sunira TP, Associate Professor and Head of the Department of Physics, Government College, Madapalli. Respected Dr. P. Ravindran, Associate Professor of Chemistry, Mahatma Gandhi Government Arts College, Mahi. Respected Mr. Kribesh KV, our PTA President, Mr. Vinesh Kumar, Convener, World Space Week 2021, other dignitaries who are attending this webinar, parents, teachers, and my dear students. First of all, I wish you all a very warm good morning. We all know that today is the closing ceremony of World Space Week celebration, Cosmos 2021. Many activities and webinars were organized and conducted very well under the supervision of our principal Sati ma'am and our HSS coordinator Vinny sir during this week. This week-long celebration, as you all know, that it was inaugurated by Sri Paputi, retired professor of physics, on 4th October 2021. In this closing ceremony, today we have with us an eminent personality, Dr. Sunira. I invite you, ma'am, to give an inaugural address and enlighten our students, and it will be a great motivation for our children who aspire in this field. Dr.
Thank you.
Sunira, please.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words. Okay. So, respected Vice Principal, I think Sudesh sir, then Coordinator Vinir sir, Kribesh, and all other dignitaries. I can't remember exactly the names here. That's why I am just all the persons, beloved persons. And my dear students, a warm good morning to one and all. And today, as all of you told already, we are all gathered here for the closing ceremony of World Space Week. So all of you know very well about this World Space Week. Actually, this is organized by UN to foster the workforce for tomorrow, to inspire students to participate in the programs of space missions, and to demonstrate public about the importance of these space missions, and to develop a culture, a scientific culture in the society. So as all of you know already, our coordinator Vinit sir mentioned it here. This year, the World Space Week celebrations are for women in space. So this is a special year for women's. Already we know that the science or all the space missions are always followed by women. If they are famous or not, that's not a question here. But the first woman in space is the Valentina Tereshkova. All of you know very well that. And after that, there were Indian women like Kalpana Chawla and Sunita Williams. But in all these missions, we know that all these spacecraft were run by not by Indians, but actually the first mission, Valentina Tereshkova, in the first mission, Kalpana Chawla is a part of Columbia mission. It is a US led program. Similarly, in the case of Sunita Williams, it is actually an international space program, okay, International Space Station program. In that sense, there are Indians in these missions, but still crewed space missions are not still developed by our nation. The main problem behind this is the funding. How much fund we can dedicate for these missions. There are costly processes, but our priorities are always the poverties or the development of underground living of peoples like that. So the major problem we are facing is the funding. But now the government planned to privatize these sectors also, the space mission sectors also. This is the highlights of this 2020 year onwards, what is happening in India and in globally also. But I just want to give some informations about this World Space Week celebrations. The first one is we already discussed that this celebration starts from October 4th and ends in October 10th. So what is this peculiarity for these dates? What happens in October 4th? So actually this is the first man-made satellite launching date, October 4th. And the October 10th is the UN treaty related with this space missions. Useful uses of that is actually this October 10th is meant for peaceful uses of outer space for humankind. So these, in between these two dates, that in between 4th and 10th, we celebrate every year World Space Week. Okay, and now when I move on to this women in space. Women in space, we already discussed that there are certain women's, well-known women's, Indian women's, there are in space missions. But except this, there are scientists, so many scientists in different areas working together. Women scientists, they are hardly working for these developments of all these space missions. Okay, and what about this? Why we invest this much money for these space missions? That is the next question. Actually, all the technologies developed now is somehow related with these space missions. We are all very much familiar with the GPS networks, okay, global positioning system. We are all used this knowingly or unknowingly in our life. All internet facility, telecommunication system, everything related with these satellites and spacecraft missions. So in our life, in human life, these space missions are very important in the sense that the science and technology moving forward along with these space missions. Now, we can just look what are the important achievements in connection with these space missions. We all know that the main power generating techniques in our daily life, we use electrical power generation techniques, but we know that if we send satellites or spacecraft to outer space, we have to find out some other energy power systems. This leads to the development of solar panels, and the radiational technologies, radiational sciences leads to the cancer therapy, and the development of need for lightweight materials leads to the high quality developments of high quality lightweight materials, and the high computing speed softwares and global search and rescue systems, and all these things are connected with this space explorations or space missions. And when we think about this India's projects, the global positioning system, I already told you about global positioning system. So this global positioning navigation systems, one of this global positioning system is developed by US and it is globally used. At the same time, India also tried to develop such a system, but it is called as IRNSS, Indian Region Navigational Satellite System. Later, it will be planned to expand to global version, but time being, it's only for Indian region. Okay, so in our space missions, as far as our ISRO and VSS is connected, there are so many projects for this projects as space missions. The one of them is Mangalyaan. All of you very familiar with this. It explores the details of Mars and its atmosphere. The another one is Chandrayaan, very well known to everybody. The missions connected with the moon. And now planning another one is Gaganyaan. Gaganyaan is connected with the crewed spacecraft. Time being, we have no crewed spacecraft. Our crews are already sent by other nations, but the time being, our projects are planned for crewed space orbital spacecraft. This is known as Gaganyaan. And another one is Aditya mission. Aditya mission is for studying solar system and its atmosphere. And now we have to think about our nation is also going forward to search to learn more and more about these space missions by finding somehow funds. In future, all the careers and our dreams will related with these space missions, because we know that now space tourism is a major area developing now, space tourism, and the private funding is mainly come towards this area. And so future career opportunities are mainly oriented towards these space missions. And I think the students in this program also feel a better career in these fields, may found better career in these fields. And now I think I take too much time to speak to you. I think I can wind up now. And I think all the students here can enjoy this morning through the program already going on here. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Sunira ma'am. It was really informative. Our students, they have benefited from your speech.
Felicitation is an inspiration to others and a motivation to whom you are felicitating. Let me wholeheartedly invite our PTA President, Mr. Kripesh KB, to address the gathering. Sir, please.
Thank you, ma'am. ബഹുമാന്യ വൈസ് പ്രിൻസിപ്പൽ സുധീഷ് സർ, ഇന്നത്തെ ക്ലോസിംഗ് സെറമണിയുടെ ചീഫ് ഗസ്റ്റ് ഡോക്ടർ സുനീറ മാം, കോർഡിനേറ്റർ വിനീത് സാർ, വിദ്യാർത്ഥികളെ, ഒരാഴ്ച നീണ്ടു നിൽക്കുന്ന ഈ പരിപാടിയുടെ പ്രാധാന്യം എന്തു തന്നെയായാലും ഭാരതം ഇന്ന് ലോകരാഷ്ട്രങ്ങൾക്കിടയിൽ ആധുനിക സാങ്കേതിക വിദ്യയിൽ വളരെ മുന്നേറിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്ന ഈ സാഹചര്യത്തിൽ നമ്മുടെ കുട്ടികൾക്ക് ഇത്തരം രീതിയിലുള്ള പരിപാടികൾ വളരെ പ്രയോജനപ്പെടും എന്ന് തന്നെയാണ് എൻ്റെ വിശ്വാസം. ഈ ഒരു സാഹചര്യത്തിലും നമ്മൾ ഇത്തരം സാങ്കേതിക വിദ്യ വളർന്നു എന്നതിന്റെ ഏറ്റവും ഉത്തമ ഉദാഹരണം തന്നെയാണ് ഇന്നത്തെ ഈ ഒരു പരിപാടിയിൽ നമ്മളെല്ലാവരും മുഖാമുഖം കണ്ടുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ വിദ്യാർത്ഥികൾക്ക് ആ പഠനത്തിനോടൊപ്പം തന്നെ ഇത്തരം രീതിയിലുള്ള പരിപാടികൾ സംഘടിപ്പിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് സ്കൂൾ മുന്നോട്ട് പോകുന്നതിൽ രക്ഷിതാക്കളുടെ പ്രതിനിധി എന്നതിൽ വളരെ സന്തോഷമുണ്ട്. അത്തരം പ്രവർത്തനങ്ങൾ എന്നും അഭിനന്ദനാർഹമാണെന്ന് ഈ അവസരത്തിൽ ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞുകൊള്ളുന്നു. മേലിലും ഇത്തരം രീതിയിലുള്ള പരിപാടികളുമായി മുന്നോട്ട് പോകാൻ അതിന്റെ എല്ലാവിധ സഹായ സഹകരണങ്ങളും PTA ഭാഗത്തു നിന്ന് ഉണ്ടാകുമെന്ന് മാത്രം പറഞ്ഞുകൊണ്ട് ഈ സമാപന ദിനത്തിലെ ഈ പരിപാടിയിൽ എല്ലാവിധ ആശംസകളും അർപ്പിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് ഞാൻ നിർത്തുന്നു. നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം.
Thank you, sir.
Now we have Professor Dr. P. Ravindran, Associate Professor of Chemistry, MGGA College Mahi, who was always a motivator for us. Sir, please.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
And a hearty welcome to our honorable guest of honor today, Dr. T. Sunira of Madapalli College. This is head of the Department of Physics. Good morning, madam.
Good
It's
morning,
nice-
sir. Good morning, sir.
It's a pleasure to hear to you. And ഞാൻ മഹി കോളേജിൽ കെമിസ്ട്രി ഡിപ്പാർട്ട്മെന്റിലാണ്. പോണ്ടിച്ചേരി യൂണിവേഴ്സിറ്റി ആയതിനു ശേഷം നമ്മളിപ്പോ സാധാരണ മടപ്പള്ളി കോളേജ് പഠനം സ്ഥിരമായി പോകും. പോണ്ടിച്ചേരി യൂണിവേഴ്സിറ്റി ആയതിനു ശേഷം തീരെ ബന്ധമില്ലാണ്ടായി.
അതെ അതെ അതെ. മുമ്പ് എക്സാംസ് ഒക്കെ നടത്താൻ വരാറുണ്ടായിരുന്നു സാർ. ഞാൻ വന്നിട്ടുണ്ട് അവിടെ ഫിസിക്സില്.
So I am very happy that this Excel Public Schools has conducted a very interesting and very lively session for the World Space Day week. And as ma'am said it very correctly, the importance of the date 4th and 10th and the week is the full celebration is based on that. On 4th, Sputnik was first released into space, and then 10th was the day where the World Space Treaty was signed. So the intermediate days are conducted as the World Space Organization. And I have to thank Vinish sir heartfully for having conducted such a beautiful program. And the program was good. His invitation, his designing was very good. All were extraordinarily well done and meticulously planned. And most importantly, he kept in mind that this year it is the women in space, and he could find guests as speakers who are ladies who are in this line. So big applause to Mr. Vinish for having conducted this program, keeping in view of this year's motto and theme. So hope that some students at least have got an insight into space and the organizations, the carriers available, what all they can do and what all India has been doing, and especially the girl students who are now, if you see any rank, nowadays you find any kind of research that you find, whether it is even one more surprisingly, out of the 14 collectors of Kerala, 9 of them are ladies. And with the KAS examination, with the IAS civil service examination, almost all everywhere, the girls are going far ahead than the boys. So it is a good initiative. Girls need to come out into the society and take up very challenging jobs in the society. And space is an area which is so vast, and the growth is so great, and it is now in infancy. So children who are interested in space studies will always get a cue from this week's celebration. And I thank the Excel Public School for calling me. And I thank each and every speakers throughout the week who have been taking part in this, right from Papati sir, who gave a very interesting speech on the first day of the inauguration. And through the course of the celebrations, all speakers who spoke very well, they took time from the very busy schedule and helped and made the children know the challenges in the space. And I think Vinish was trying to get our former ISRO chief, Dr. Radhakrishnan sir, but unfortunately due to some schedule timing, he could not come and participate in this. Maybe in future, I think we can get hold of him, and he'll also be a very prominent name for our children to remember, to get catalyzed and get into this area. So thank you once again. I congratulate the team behind this show, and I congratulate each and heartfully thank each of the speakers and all the members of the team who conducted this function. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. You're always a motivation for us.
Champions are made when potentials are converted into performance. I invite our HSS coordinator, Mr. Vinesh Kumar M, to present the results of the various programs conducted in connection with the World Space Week. Sir, please.
Yes. So in connection with the Cosmos 21, we organized the competitions like quiz competition, essay writing competition, elocution competition, and a different one this year, astrophotography contest. So the results are presented here, so you can watch it.
Thank you, sir, for that wonderful presentation, and congratulations to all the winners.
Congratulations, winners. Now, to propose vote of thanks, may I now invite Mrs. Minija, HOD of Science, and also the coordinator of Organizing Committee, Cosmos 21. Ma'am, please.
Thank you, ma'am. Respected Chief Guest of the Day, Dr. Sunira Associate Madam. Respected Dr. Ravindran, Associate Professor of Chemistry, MGGA College, Mahi. Mr. Kripesh Keri, PTA President. Mr. Suresh, Vice Principal. Mr. Vish Kumar, Convener of Cosmos 21. Other dignitaries who are attending this webinar, and my dear students. First of all, I wish you all a very warm good morning. It is my privilege to propose vote of thanks on this occasion. At first, I would like to thank Dr. Sunira for her motivational and inspiring speech. Thank you very much, ma'am. Next, I extend my thanks to Dr. P. Ravindran for addressing our students on this occasion and inspiring them. Thank you, sir. I thank our principal, Mrs. Satyam Kurup, for her able guidance in arranging this celebration. Thank you, ma'am. Next, I'd like to thank Kripesh, our PTA president, for attending this function and giving felicitation. Thank you, sir. I would
Thank you, ma'am.
like to thank our, thank you. I would like our Principal, Mr. Sutesh, for presiding over this function and for the presidential entrance. Thank you, sir. Next, I would like to thank Mr. Vinish Kumar for coordinating this celebration and conducting various activities and bringing it to a successful culmination. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
I also thank all my colleagues for their active participation in this celebration. Last but not least, I would like to thank all my dear students who participated in various competitions during the World Space Week celebrations and attending today's function. I thank each and all here. Thank you.
A good event never ends in the world. They take only a pause and keep us awaiting for the next. With this, we conclude this session. Thank you, one and all. Thank you once again.
Thank you, Sunira ma'am. Thank you, Shaini ma'am. Thank you, Jishi ma'am. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you. Thank you all.